Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you want to build a beautiful website, make it with Squarespace. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to get straight into it. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, which is me drawing YouTubers from personality. No. Hello and welcome to today's video, which is me drawing YouTubers from memory. There's a challenge going around drawing like cartoon characters from memory, but I thought that I would try and do YouTubers. I asked you guys to suggest some people on my Instagram, which you did, so thank you for doing that. But obviously I'm only going to do the ones that I know, so I'm really sorry if you suggested someone and I don't draw them today, but I can't draw someone that I don't know. Jenna Marbles is the first one, and a lot of people suggested this, so I'm like nervous all of a sudden, but we're gonna do our best. So Jenna Marbles, Jenna. Okay, so Jenna Marbles has like a long face, I want to say. We're just gonna start off with a long face. That's bad. A long, yeah, like a slim egg. Coral. Nose wise, I think her nose I think her nose is kind of, it's like more of a pointed nose. Can you see her nostrils? Oh, I think it's like pointed. Like I think it's a downward nose. It's cute though. It's a cute nose. Not that I can actually really remember. And then her lips, I think she has like a prominent Cupid's bow, but that's like the only thing that I can remember about that. So we're gonna do just a very slightly open mouth. No, that's terrifying. Alright, let's just block in. I'm just gonna block in the shapes first. Young man, there's no need to run down, I said young man. I'm gonna draw her with a beanie. Oh no, now she just looks like an egg. It's fine, we will fix it. I'm going to remove that face shape because it's annoying me. Oh god, this is terrible. I question everything that I know. I watch literally all of her videos and now I'm like, what do you look like? That mouth is atrocious. Get going. That beanie's really throwing me off. I'll add the beanie back later, but for now, we just need to get rid of it. And then let's just get rid of the eyebrows as well. I don't remember what her eyebrows look like. I just remember when she like shaved them, so that's all that I can think about. Okay, we're just gonna do triangles for now. Maybe we'll fix them later, but maybe I won't at all. Okay, that nose has to go. Okay, now we're just left with a pair of eyes. I'm drawing her with freckles. I know that she doesn't have them, but in one video she did, and maybe they stayed there for a little longer actually, so whatever. Okay, I'm gonna draw that beanie shape in. Yeah, that's perfect. Demon eyes. That kind of looks like her mouth, kind of. That was an accident, but we're gonna go with it. And she's going, Juliana. What if she doesn't actually have a Cupid's bow and I've been drawing it in and then she just doesn't have it? Oh my god. Okay, her eyes look like they're going in two different directions, so I'm gonna erase them again. Does she have earrings? I know she wears chokers. I don't know how to draw beanies. That's fine. I can't draw mouths. I'm just gonna draw shapes until something looks like it could work. I can't draw a mouth. I just can't do it. The great thing about Procreate is that I can just do this. And it's like, yeah, that's fine. Oh, what's her body gonna be like? She got a neck. Yeah, she got a neck. That's too thin though. Round. And then we, oh, beach. Fuck it up. Look at that. Choco beach. Yep. Maybe she has a piercing. Let's give her a piercing. I'm not really sure. That seems... maybe like a mid one. Maybe... a ring? A hoop? We've given her hoops here. Maybe I'll just Sure, I can't remember. Okay, I think that's about as good as I'm gonna do for Jenna. She looks really sad, so I'm sorry about that, but that's just the way it happened. I'm just gonna leave it because I keep changing it and then it's really bad. So I'm gonna leave her there. And while we're doing Jenna, I'm gonna do Julian as well because I got asked to do him as well. So we're gonna move her over here. Jenna has a long face, but I think Julian has like more of a square face. So I'm gonna start off with a circle and then like a square jaw. And you know, these drawings might be a little bit exaggerated because sometimes it's easier to draw like the exaggerated features of someone. What color, see? Now I'm like, what color eyes does Julian have, you know? I don't know. Blue as well? Wait, does Jenna have blue eyes? Maybe she doesn't even have blue eyes. Got some inquisitive eyebrows going on. I don't know why I did that, but that's fine. Anyway, hair. What hair does Julian have at the moment? Already I'm a lot happier with this. Even though I've drawn him like as a rectangle, it's just an interpretation. Rectangular Julian. I always have trouble like deciding where the neck is gonna be. It's like it could be coming out from like the back of his head and like this. It could be coming out from where his ear is. But maybe it's like this instead. Hey beach. Should I draw glasses in? Big square glasses. Oh hell yeah. They're not square enough. Mar. It looks really good, man. Don't worry about it. Okay. Yes. Thick neck. That's actually, I'm surprised at this, but I do watch a lot of their podcasts, so I've had hours to study. Okay, his face is very rectangular. I'm just gonna see if I can like pinch it in. You know I had to do it to him. Okay, I'm really happy with that. I just want to do like bust portraits. I don't want to do like arms or legs or anything. Okay, but that's Jenna and Julian. I'm actually really happy with those. I think I drew Julian a little bit better, but I'm happy with like the essence of Jenna. But I just know that like something is off on her face. I think I'm actually gonna look up a picture of them now and just see where I went wrong. Okay, so Jenna's lips, she does have a Cupid's bow, but her like top lip is like squished in, like it doesn't come out all the way to like the outside edge. It's more like, ooh. Otherwise I think it's good. It's just like, I think her face is a little bit more like in. I kind of drew like that, but it's more, what color did what's his name?
Pineapple, or make it a pine berry. Mix.
Blue?
You guys hungry?
No. The next one that people were saying a lot was PewDiePie. So I'm gonna try, but I'm really scared for this one. I think this one's probably definitely gonna be like an artistic interpretation. Sure, whatever. This does not look like him, but it's fine. We're gonna live with it. More of like a cartoon version. Okay, because then it's a bit more forgiving. I give up. This is me officially giving up. I'm giving him square shoulders. Sometimes when you draw stuff badly on purpose, though, it's like way cooler than if you have tried. So this was a choice. I was supposed to draw him like this all along. My thing is that I can't leave it alone because it's so bad, and I know it's bad. Like I know it doesn't, like there's no likeness there. Okay, that's trash. Moving on. Okay, Claire from Bon Appetit, and then someone else said Brad Leone, but I think I'm gonna start on Claire and then I'll see how I'm feeling because I've already drawn Brad, so I feel like that's kind of cheating. Claire wears an apron. She has like a streak in her hair. She has really big eyes. I think her face is like heart-shaped, which is kind of further emphasized by the widow's peak. I'm gonna draw her little side part. And I've just drawn her with her eyes closed without thinking about it. What does she wear? She wears an apron. Put that in. Apron, like jumpers and stuff, I think. She looks like a Disney princess. She's like, and nose also has nostrils. Who would have thought? I'm drawing this part of her eyelid like in, because I think you'd be able to see the shape of her eyes because they're quite big even when her eyes are closed. Okay, so that is Claire. I'm just gonna look that up. Yeah, it's like everything else though. I'm like, she's even wearing a jumper in that. Oh, no, little apron. She's wearing a necklace. Didn't get that. And I'm just gonna do a really quick Brad, and I'm just gonna try and redraw the picture that I've already drawn of him. I don't know why. I just don't feel like doing anything else. It doesn't. It's okay. So the picture that I've drawn of him is a side profile. It's actually quite interesting because when you draw something once, you can kind of like remember how it looks a second time. If you draw something twice, you'll be really good like the second time that you decide to draw it. Yeah, I'm gonna have the picture that I'm copying up on screen as well, but of course I can't see this picture. I'm just trying to remember how I drew this. So that's my first attempt at drawing YouTubers from memory. I think I did both like better and worse than I expected. I think I started off strong and then I kind of trailed off in the middle and then came back again and then did a bad job again. And before I go, we just have a quick word from our sponsor, Squarespace. If you haven't heard, Squarespace is a website building platform where if you're creative, you can use it for a portfolio. You can use it for an online shop. For like any purpose that you can think of, you can use Squarespace to build a beautiful website. Right now I use it as a portfolio, and I've had it in like heaps of different configurations. So if I'm ever applying for a job, I can kind of change my website to suit the needs of the job that I'm applying for. Or if I just want to change up the theme, it's really easy to do and it's super customizable, which I personally love because I like being able to like, you know, add my own flair onto things. They also have amazing 24/7 customer support. I've talked to them a couple of times when I couldn't figure out how to do something, and it was so quick and so easy, and the people that you speak to are very understanding and really kind as well. So that's really nice to not feel like you're being judged for asking stupid questions. Right now, if you head to squarespace.com/Zozzolini, you get 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain, and you also get a 14-day free trial, which is super good. And thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.